You know, there's so many creative thoughts that I have right now. I mean, now is the prolific time. Now I'm inspired. It's a force that I'm not sure that there's like a word for it. Maybe it's just more like a, you know, it's like a, it would be a sound. It's just excitement and being alive, working and living, you know, traveling and meeting people and putting myself out there and, you know, getting rejected, getting approved, getting, you know, it's just, it's life.
Go.
I don't do anything half-assed, like it's all full force, so everything, you know. I don't wear a little bit of jewelry, I wear a lot, you know. I don't have a little bit of hair, it's like, you know, it's just how I am. You know, I have several series that have really become the guts of me. I have my Audrey Hepburn series, which is, you know, she is the mother. She's the mother figure in my work. She is everything that is good. She is sort of the figure that watches over me, that she's like going home, you know. When I'm in between other collections, I just paint Audrey. I paint Audrey in all these different hats, and I envision her as a woman in all these different ways, and she was just such an amazing woman. And then I have this Trophy Wife series, and I'm completely obsessed. And also, you know, I'm obsessed with the modern role of woman and how women, especially in this country, have so many opportunities to work and make our own money. And so that kind of brings into me this fascination with the Trophy Wife. And I'm fascinated by them. I think it's like when you've fallen in love. I just fell in love with painting. It's like when people buy art, you know, they see an image and they fall in love with it. They're gonna live with it every day. You know, it's this whole business that I'm in right now is just about love. It's about falling in love.